tanat ka koit ka khiah ka jela ha ka singin kong kala pentip ha ka Committee on Women Empowerment juga yeng dor bar thau an ka jela ba kidang don kinong tre ka koit ka khiah ki bampat ai satya ka tika banya dana u covid.
High probability that this other 15% of non access of vaccination or vaccination hesitancy, as they say, likely because health workers themselves were yet to be convinced, and there has been an assurance given to us that efforts have been put in by the government to even conduct important research. And the Principal Secretary Health had given us an assurance that there was an effort being put in by the government to go up to a one-to-one interaction with all those that refuse to be vaccinated. They did, however, also talk about the fact that out of the 300 plus deaths in East Khasi Hills alone, none of the victims who died due to COVID actually had their first dose, nor did they go for any vaccination, which means that, again, vaccination is one area which needs to be reinforced in the entire state of Meghalaya, because ultimately that would be the best protection for citizens in general. We were not able to talk about universal vaccination because Government of India has to address it. A huge population of children, a huge population of those under 45 are still not vaccinated. There is a huge pressure on the government for procurement of the vaccine itself. We were made to understand, however, that even that was taken care of, and that government now will shortly receive all of its consignments to administer vaccination to all age groups.